Welcome back to Healthy Homes Australia. Now this week with Danny away, I am flying the flag with our great team and our amazing homeowner Mark in this epic house. Now you live here with your wife and your kids.
I do.
This is a beautiful place.
Thank
I just
you.
can't get out of this outdoor area. You must have the wildest summers out here.
I'm looking forward to the first one actually. We've only been here for 6 months, but I've heard some great stories about it, so yes.
Well, you've got pools, you've got barbecues, you've got chickens. It's basically a soccer field here.
Yeah, that's right.
Doing amazing. Do you cook?
I do love to barbecue. Outdoor cooking is a good thing for me to do. Yeah.
I'm about to literally change your outdoor cooking life.
Really?
In fact, I'm pretty confident that once you've used this machine, you'll never go back to a gas barbecue because this, my friend, ta-da, this is the Navigator 850 from Pit Boss.
Okay.
So it can do pretty much everything that your average gas barbecue can do, but this isn't really designed for a quick 2-minute steak fix. This is a smoker. And we're talking like top-notch, top-of-the-range smoker. Have a little look.
Wow.
This is going to give you the most delicious wood-fired tasting food. And it all operates via these pellets here. So these are really high-quality compressed hardwood pellets.
Okay.
And you put them into a hopper, which is in here. Put it down there. You see all the pellets in there. Have a little look. Now they're then fed electronically via an auger, like a big corkscrew, and then that feeds a little pit of fire, which is all powered by electricity. So there's no gas involved, no gas at all. And then you can cook on this, and it does the most amazing 12-hour brisket. So basically there are like 8 functions, so 8 in 1 with this machine. So you can grill, bake, sear, char, grill, all sorts of different features, and it all has that beautiful wood-fired taste.
Lovely.
So you can buy different flavoured pellets and things which you can feed through there. And we've just gone with the competition blend.
Okay.
Now that's the one that you just grab from Bunnings, feed them in, and it's just like a beautiful wood-fired taste. So we have in here the most amazing tomahawk, a couple of wedges in there, and we've got some sticky ribs and tomatoes. So really the whole beauty about this machine is it's so controllable by you. So like we say, we will put something on here, we can leave it for the day because it's all controlled electronically by this pad here. So the accuracy you can have over the temperature is not like a normal gas barbecue, because what happens if you leave a gas barbecue on all day?
It's going to flare up, get warmer and warmer and warmer.
It just gets hotter and hotter and hotter,
it does, doesn't it?
So this is all intelligent. So it has a
Right.
unit in here which will control the flame, control the heat, and you can also control the smoke that's in there as well. Very cleverly, you can buy a Wi-Fi module as well to connect to this. So wherever you are, if you go to work or you take the kids to the park, you can just check the app and just go, oh, we've got about 2 hours left. And you can also control the temperature. So if you're doing like a brisket or something and you want it at 110 and you want to go for, I don't know, 12, 15, 18 hours at 110, it will stay at 110. So you can go away for the day, you can go and do all your shopping, and you can just check the app and have a little look and see what temperature it is. And if you want to give it a bit of a boost when you're on your way home, dial it up and it will do it for you. Yeah, but the intelligence behind this unit is just extraordinary.
So tell me about searing or making it a little bit more cooked on the outside. How would we do that, given it's a smoker or low cook temperature normally?
Yeah, well, it's got a couple of features in here, so I'll open this up and have a look. So if you see this here, so we can just go onto the sear function, which is essentially going to take it up to 500 degrees and you're going to get naked flame.
Okay.
So once your meat is cooked solid, you can do like a reverse sear if you wanted to and do it. So we'll demonstrate that. So we'll turn this all the way up to high, and then we're going to pull this here, and this, if you look in the middle, there's the exciting part. Blank. So you can see the smoke, and you can see all the flames inside there.
Oh yeah, it's a full
So
flame
so now if you
through.
grab the tongues, we can put the steak over this, and now we're sort of like basically
proper searing.
Searing it with the naked flame.
Okay.
Oh, listen to that.
That really does everything, doesn't it? So I guess, Walt, I've seen a lot of smokers on the market. This looks pretty impressive. What are the key differences, and why is it the one to have?
The quality, I
Right.
think, really. So this is an American brand.
Okay.
So it's not cheap and nasty. It's bigger, it's hotter, it's
Yeah.
heavier.
Looks pretty well built too.
It's very well built, yeah.
Yeah.
But I think having that control panel in there
Yeah.
gives you that really fine-tuning element. I mean, there's even a meat probe here. So
Gotcha.
it will tell you not only the temperature of the inside of the cooking part, but also the temperature of the meat, because they'll be very different, especially if you have a bone inside the meat as well.
Yeah. So Walt, where can I find this cooker and I guess the accessories and the pellets?
I'll call it LA, New York, Michigan,
Okay.
and also Bunnings.
Oh,
so
excellent.
yeah, they're actually the number one selling smoker in Bunnings, which is a great sign. for
Yeah.
them. So they're doing great guns. They're a really top quality American brand. You can jump onto pitbossgrills.com.au and see all of the range there. Or of course, buy all the bits and pieces. They've got accessories, the whole lot. Those are Pit Boss branded.
They are really good.
Yeah, you'll just find them at Bunnings. I'm going to leave this one with you, my friend,
Wonderful.
on one condition.
I invite you back for
Yes.
some brisket.
Now you'll learn.
Done.